You won't need a box spring because the reliable metal slats are designed to support and extend the life of your latex, memory foam, or spring mattress without the need for a box spring. Hey everyone, Sleep Chef here. Today I'll be looking at the ZINUS Lorelai 14-inch metal platform bed frame. This is everything that comes in the shipment, including the frame itself, instructions for assembly, and the tools you'll need to do so. I'm going to assemble the frame by myself now, just to show you how easy it is. All you have to do is follow the instructions and tighten a few screws to piece it together. Here's how it looks completely assembled. You can see we have our durable and strong alloy steel construction holding together our minimalist design. This particular bed frame is a queen size, but you can also order it as a twin, full, or king. We have beneath the frame 13 inches of underbed clearance, which is a perfect space for storing extra odds and ends. Plus, you won't need a box spring because the reliable metal slats are designed to support and extend the life of your latex, memory foam, or spring mattress without the need for a box spring. You'll also have a 5-year worry-free limited warranty and peace of mind knowing that your bed frame can support up to 700 pounds or 350 if you order the twin size. Overall, I recommend this ZINUS Lorelai 14-inch metal platform bed frame to anyone who is looking for a minimalist design and would like some extra storage space beneath their bed.